Understanding the phrase, "She's in orbit," a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, "She's in orbit." This expression can be a bit tricky for learners, so we'll break it down together. Let's dive in and understand what it really means. The phrase, "she's in orbit," is an idiomatic expression in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. In this case, orbit usually refers to the path an object takes in space around a planet or star, but here it is used metaphorically. When someone says, "she's in orbit," they mean that the person is extremely happy, excited, or overwhelmed by something to the point where they are metaphorically circling in their own world of happiness or excitement. Understanding when and how to use the phrase is crucial. It's often used in casual conversations and can be applied in various situations. For instance, after receiving great news, like a job promotion, when someone is unusually elated or overjoyed about an event or achievement. It's important to note that this phrase should be used in a positive context. To grasp this idiom better, let's see some examples. After hearing she passed her exams with flying colors, she's been in orbit. When he proposed to her, she was so happy, she was in orbit for days. This phrase should not be confused with being physically in space. It's a metaphorical expression. Also, it's distinct from being out of orbit, which can imply being out of control or unusual. I hope this video helps clarify the meaning and usage of "she's in orbit." It's a playful and vivid way to describe immense happiness or excitement. Remember, learning idioms can be fun and greatly enhances your understanding of English expressions. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using them like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.